my Jeep. Quick update for December 28th. I believe it's Thursday. I'm just doing a quick cleanup to get all the dust and grit and junk off these gears before I do the final assembly. Yes, I think I'm ready to do my final assembly.
What the hell you talking about, boy?
With any progress, I will make another update. I'm preparing
It might be the final disaster.
to reinstall the gears and pinion out for now. And good morning, to my Jeep update, and it's just about 10, maybe 15 minutes later since the last one. And it's about 11:30 in the morning, getting ready to break for lunch here in a little bit. And I got my cleaning done. You see I got my pinion, got the ring gear, spider gears, because it had a lot of dirt and grit in there, and I got the yoke there too. And I washed them down, cleaned them real good. I cleaned the yellow pattern paint off too. And when they get good and dry, before I install them, they will be wiped down again, and I will lubricate all the parts with lithium white grease, before installation. Let me show you what I got. I've had this for a while. It's lithium white grease. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. That's what
comb your hair with?
Yeah, it's just a quick update. And hopefully this final installation will be the one. Also, I forgot, I cleaned the case out too. I got it covered now. And I always get dust in here. A lot of times the wind's blowing from this direction. It blows dust and dirt and leaves and everything in here. Anyway, I forgot about that. Out. I've been working on this rear differential for several months now. It's been a lot of work. Multiple
mistakes, you mean, boy?
Installations and pullouts to check specs and tolerances. Please like, share, and subscribe, and pass this on to someone that may have a Jeep. It might help them. Watching some of my mistakes and successes might help them get their installation done quicker. Don't forget to check out my son's channel, 78 Stinkin' Lincoln, and Nancy's channel, Wildlife Friends and Sanctuary.